Now, we are very much aware that different chart has different index value, and that's what differentiates the different lot size, especially when you're trading the forex market, the crypto market, or you're trading the volatility market, or the other virtual market that is offered by the broker, whatever broker that you're actually operating with. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to actually see the minimum lot size that is available on any pairs, so that you don't go on to use 0.5 minimum lot size on volatility 100 to trade volatility 75 that has a minimum lot size of 0.001, and you end up losing a whole lot. That 0.05 on the other volatility might be a micro lot size, and then why the one on volatility 75 might be a standard lot size, and you might end up blowing your account without understanding what went wrong. So let me show you how to spot this. Okay, if you're just watching this video, let's go to our mt5 right here. Now when you go to mt5, you click on quote. Now we're on quote. Now whatever pair that you want to trade, let's choose crash right there. Now hold down and then click on properties, then scroll down to minimum. You see minimum volume, that is the minimum lot size that is available here on crash 1000. Minimum volume is 0.2 and maximum volume is 120, and each volume per step, that each time it moves is like what, about 0.02 lot size. Okay, so now to check other currency pairs, you see, scroll down same way, minimum volume, you will see it right here is 0.01. That's the minimum volume. That means the minimum lot size that you can use on this pair. So you can check as many as possible. Let's check 75 so that you see that there are a whole lot of differences. Now 75, scroll down and check minimum volume on 75. You can see 0.01. Now let's check another pair too. Let's check volatility 100. All of these does not have the same volume. Okay, they don't have the same volume. So now look at volatility 50. Look at minimum volume 0.05. Okay, 0.05, which is equivalent to about 0.01 lot size. So now if you're using that 0.05 on volatility 75, now it means that you're using a standard lot size, which could eventually blow your account, and that's very bad. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe, and see you in our next video.